If you've ever struggled to center an image on your WordPress website, don't worry. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, the right way. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to WordPress. Once you're on the homepage, click the login button in the top right corner. You can sign in using your Google account. It's fast, secure, and super convenient. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick link section and click Edit Site. This will open up the site editor where you can make all kinds of changes to your website's design and layout. Now, to make sure you're working on the right image, open the document overview from the sidebar. This gives you a clear look at every element on your page. Find the image block you want to center and click on it to select it. Once that image is selected, click the three dots icon to open more options. From here, choose Group. This helps you manage that image block without affecting other elements on the page. Now, look over to the right-hand panel and open the Block tab. Scroll down until you find the Justification section. You'll see several alignment options. Click Justify Center, and that's it. Your image will instantly move to the center of your page, giving your website a clean, balanced, and professional look. Before you wrap up, preview your page to make sure everything looks perfect. A centered image always makes a big difference in your design's overall feel. Thanks for watching. I hope this quick guide helped you easily center images in WordPress. Keep exploring. Small tweaks like this can truly elevate your website's appearance.